Myself Rajashree, scientist at Meteorological Center GOA. As per the extended range forecast issued by MC GOA, rainfall is very likely to be deficient over North and South Goa district up to 24th of November 2022. And in the medium range forecast, IMD has issued dry weather for next 5 days over North and South Goa districts. No weather warnings proposed. Haze or shallow fog likely in the morning at isolated places over North and South Goa districts. Yesterday, that is on 21st November 2022, Panaji has recorded a minimum temperature of 17.9 degrees Celsius, and this fall was due to the northeasterly cold winds coming towards Goa region. And today, minimum temperature has shown appreciable rise and recorded 21.6 degrees Celsius at Panaji. IMD has forecasted no large change in minimum temperature for next 3 days. The depression that was present over the Bay of Bengal has weakened to a well-marked low pressure region, and it will further weaken in next 24 hours. So the cloudiness will persist for one more day. Please be regularly updated with the weather forecast and warnings issued by MC GOA. Thank you.